How to share your Twitter account link. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can actually share your Twitter account link. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first and first, simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Twitter app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Twitter, and go ahead and simply either download or update the Twitter app to the latest version. Once you've updated the Twitter app, what you want to do is you want to simply go over and then open it. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, you can see that this is how the interface is going to look like. Now what you only have to do is, after you log in, on the very top left corner of the screen you can see your profile icon. All you have to do is to simply go ahead and tap on your profile icon, and you'll see all of these options. Once you see all these options, you have to go to the profile page. So tap on the option called profile. As soon as you tap on profile, you'll be able to see your profile page. Now if you want to share this profile, what you only have to do is tap on the three dots on the top right corner. As you tap on the three dots, you'll find this option which says share. So go ahead and tap on share. As soon as you tap on share, in order to copy the URL, you could basically tap on copy URL button, and you'll basically copy the link of this Twitter profile. Or if you want to share them to social media posts, you could tap on share, and you could select WhatsApp, or you could select any of the other options to which you want to share this. So let me just go ahead and select any of these right over here, and once I've done so, what you only want to do is you want to go ahead and then send this. So you can basically go ahead and then search the recipients to whom you might want to send this to, and once you've sent them, they will be able to actually access your profile once you've actually sent them right over here. If I go ahead and send them, as you can see, and when they tap on this link, so let me just go ahead and show you. If they tap on this link, it'll basically take them to your Twitter profile page, and this is how you can share your Twitter account link. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.